Here's how to create your account on Bookme. On the homepage, you're going to come over and click Start Free. Here, you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or email. For our purposes today, we're going to do email. From here, you'll enter your email and choose a password. Keep in mind, your password has to be at least 8 characters, include 1 special character, 1 uppercase and lowercase character, and 1 number. Next, click Go to Verification. Now you'll see a message asking you to verify your email address. Check your inbox and click the link in the email to confirm your account. If you can't find the email, make sure to check your spam folder. If you didn't receive the email, you can click Resend the email or Start Over. After you've verified your email, you'll come to this page to enter in your details. Fill in your first name, your last name, and then select a username. This is going to become your Bookme unique link. Next, you're going to select your industry. Scroll down and find the one that fits your services the best. And then check to make sure these are all correct: country, time zone, and language. If these aren't correct, you can select the pencil icon to change your option. Once everything is accurate, you can select Complete Setup. And that's it. That's how to create your account on Bookme.